Interested in becoming a total wireless dealer? Here's a breakdown. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. You need to be a legitimate business or an individual over 18 with a clean criminal record, no felonies in the past 7 years. Financial stability is key. Show proof of a business bank account. You'll also need a physical storefront or online presence and complete Total Wireless's online certification course. Once you're ready, gather these essential documents: a state-issued business license, your tax ID, EIN or SSN, general liability insurance, recommended minimum $1 million coverage, a government-issued ID, your bank details for commission deposits, and the signed Total Wireless Dealer Agreement, which outlines the terms, commission percentages, typically 5 to 15%, and obligations. After preparing these documents, you can begin the application process. Once approved, the Total Wireless Partner Portal at totalwireless.com/dealer-portal becomes your central hub for all dealer operations. The portal allows you to place orders for phones, accessories, and service plans, track your inventory in real time, and generate sales reports to monitor your performance. You can also access promotional materials to help market your products and complete ongoing training modules to stay current on products, policies, and regulatory compliance. To register, apply online through the portal, submit all required documents, and await approval, which typically takes 1 to 4 weeks. Remember, as a dealer, adhering to Total Wireless's code of conduct is crucial. This includes accurate advertising, protecting customer privacy, and selling only through authorized channels.